I hated her guts. I literally could freeform locks right now. But don't use genetics as an excuse why you can't believe that you can, and start to find ways to do it.
And strawberry sauce.
Hi friends, welcome back to my little corner of the internet. This channel is called Journey with Jo. You would have seen that because you would have clicked on the title. But anyways, so I'm back with another video, another vlog. Today is wash day, so I'm gonna get into that a little bit. I might make a separate video like of my actual wash day, but we're gonna do a wash day. I have been putting off, not intentionally, but I have put off washing my hair now for like 3 weeks, I think. So we really need to get wash day. It's gonna be terrible. So I'm just coming back from a Pilates class. I would say it's my first like Pilates class that I've done at home Pilates. That was tough. It was tough. The instructor definitely kept it easy and kept it light for a lot of the girls, because it's not like it wasn't like a real class. Basically my church did like a women's day, so it was really nice. There was like different activities that you could take part in. You could do painting, there was arts and craft, there was like a little reading corner, so it was really nice. I decided to do Pilates because I am on a health journey right now, trying to lose weight, and I'm looking for fun ways to lose weight. I do like going to the gym, I like weight training, but I wanted to do something different. And I can say that weight training is definitely easier than Pilates, but I'm back home now. I am hungry, so let's make something to eat. I love you too.
It's so nice.
Yeah?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yum.
Ah! You finished already?
Yeah.
That was quick, man.
I was hungry, man. It's so nice.
I don't know how well you can hear me because of the washing machine, but I'm gonna go and eat this, and then I'm gonna wash my hair. So I'll come back when I'm washing my hair. Okay, it's time to wash my hair now. I haven't washed my hair for like 3 weeks, I would say. As a black girl, you know wash day can take a couple hours sometimes. I do not do the whole day doing wash day. I don't have time for that. I don't subscribe to that. But it still does take a long time, especially with my hair. My hair knots a lot and knots really easily, and I get a lot of single strand knots. So detangling my hair is a very hard and frustrating process. So I need to give myself time when it comes to wash days. Like, I just haven't had the time, so I'm getting to it today because I can feel that my hair is really dry and I can't. Sorry, there was a fly. And I can't keep stretching it out anymore, so I'm gonna wash it today. This is pretty much what my hair looks like after 3 weeks of not washing it. So what I do is I just spray water in it. I don't recommend to use water in your hair. I think that if you're gonna spray your hair, use rose water, but straight tap water, especially if you live in an area where the water is harsh. Don't be spraying water into your hair. I used to use a wide tooth comb religiously until I switched to this, and I'm just like, what was I doing? This has made detangling my hair so much better, so much better. It saves me hours of detangling my hair. I never subscribed to don't use combs in your hair, finger detangle, you're crazy. I couldn't do that, I don't have the patience. Yeah, I'm just gonna soak my hair with water and then do the shampoo. And then I'll come back to talk to you guys when I am conditioning my hair. Okay, I've shampooed my hair and I'm really not in the mood to do the protein treatment, and I don't want to start it and be like not want to do it. So I'm just not going to do it. This mic isn't even on. Okay, let me turn the mic on. This is the protein treatment I was going to use in my hair today. I've used this brand before. FOG is very good, and I've used their protein treatment before, and my curls were popping after I used it, but I'm just not in the mood. I aim to wash my hair every 2 weeks. Keyword aim. So in 2 weeks time, I should be washing my hair again, and I want to do like, give myself time. It's because I'm going out today, and I don't want to be in a rush. So I'm just gonna, I'll put this on hold for now, but it is a really good protein treatment. So now what I'm gonna do is just section my hair in 4, and then I'm going to detangle it with my conditioner. So I will show you how the Tangle Teaser works. But you see how the brush spikes are collapsing? Every time it like meets a knot, it will collapse instead of pulling it out. So you get to take out your knots a bit more gentler. Just gotta take your time. Take your time. Be gentle. Take your time. That's why sometimes I see some girls on YouTube doing their hair tutorials, yeah, and they have like long, beautiful hair. I'm just like, you know what, babes? I'm not even gonna be jealous of you because you put in the work to get that. I'm not gonna put in the same effort, so I can't even complain. I'll just be grateful for what I do have. My hair matches the level of work I put in it. I know sometimes when I see people making, oh, it's genetics. No, it's not actually. Well, it's not just genetics. The way you care your hair will actually make a very big difference to your hair retention, your hair length, and your hair growth. Genetics plays a part in some things, but not in everything. So I feel like if you want to grow your hair, but don't use genetics as an excuse why you can't, just because you think you can't. Believe that you can and start to find ways to do it, because you can. Because there are girls, like my hair is, as I said, like 4B, 4A, I don't know what it is, but it's in the type 4s. But there are girls with 4C hair that their hair is a lot longer and a lot healthier than mine. But that's because they put the work into it. Finally, look, finally. I was really trying to think about what I've done different to my hair to make it grow. We got a different shower head with a shower filter on it. So we've been using a shower with a shower filter, and the water in this area is so much softer than the water where we're coming from. And I think that the water has actually made a massive difference to the health of my hair. I literally could freeform locks right now. Can you see my hair? Look at this. If I wanted to freeform locks, I could. I need to stop doing this. I need to stop leaving my wash days so far apart. I'm gonna have to try and take this out now. Look, I want to show you why I say a Tangle Teaser is good, right? So we've seen this. Now, look. You just have to take your time and work your way up, but make sure you go slowly. Take your time. It will eventually come out. All these reviews I see online of people passing the brush through just one time and the knots come out, I'm giving a little side eye because like the brush is great, don't get me wrong, but ain't no way it's coming out that easy unless your hair wasn't too tangled to begin with. So yes, I recommend the Tangle Teaser 100%. It's been better for me than any wide tooth comb, but it will still take more effort than one swipe of the brush. Look, see? It will come out. I've got to keep going up, but just to show you that the brush is good, it will come out.
2 hours later.
Okay, I don't know how long I was detangling that for, but we finally did it. We finally did it. Gosh. By this time, my microphone died, my phone was dying, and my light was dying. Damn, even the sun went down. So I had to stop recording, which is why I didn't get to finish my hair on camera. But I pretty much finished detangling, washed out the conditioner, and had to have a shower so I could get ready to go out. That took me so much longer than I expected. Like, I knew that it was going to take me a while because my hair had been out, and I know that my hair tangles. I knew there's going to be lots of tangles. I just didn't expect it to take me that long. I didn't even have time to eat dinner properly. I had to have dinner in the car because I was running late because we had a movie that we had to get to on time, so the whole thing was just a mess. I'm glad that I opted out of the protein treatment because honestly I don't know how that was going to work out. I'm just wearing leggings and I'm gonna wear this jumper. This jumper was actually a gift from my manager when I was leaving one of my jobs. I was working in House of Fraser. Literally comfy. And then I've got to go downstairs. We're going to the cinema now. We finally made it. I literally had to eat my food in the car because here.
Yeah.
I had to eat my food in the car because I was taking too long inside the house.
You're cutting your head.
But that's why I was up here. I had to remove the audio from this part of the video because the cinema was playing music.
And strawberry sauce.
I don't know if it's a texture thing or...
Yeah, that's it. That's so good.
So you're on G10 and 11. Screen 12.
Thanks.
Excellent.
Thanks. Thank you. 12. Thanks for the screen.
The Grid.
Play a good villain.
Yeah, she really was a good villain.
Yeah.
But now it is home time. So we are back home now. The movie was really good. They released the last Tron in like 2010. I don't even remember seeing it, if I'm going to be quite honest with you. I think that's the thing when you wait for so long between movie releases, but I kind of get it because this movie was really good. There was an actress in it called Jodie Turner-Smith. Like, she played a good villain because I hated her guts. I was like, chill out, man. She was so on job, but I guess the fact that I felt that way towards her meant that she was playing her role really well. Very annoyed. Like, my audio cut out and I just filmed my outro and I don't even remember what I was saying. I hate repeating myself so much. I'm thinking of doing like a 1 month update because it's officially been 1 month since I've been since I uploaded my first YouTube video, and I just want to do an update to tell you guys how it's been for me so far, so that maybe if you're thinking about starting a channel or like, I don't know, posting content, you'll be able to hear it from someone who's just started, because a lot of the times you'll get it from people who have these hundreds of thousands or millions of subscribers saying just post the content, and it's like, I think it's so easy to say that when you already have the following, because having the following, having the followers and subscribers, people that support you, it kind of gives you the confidence to say that. But when you haven't got none of that, it's like, it's those questions of, oh, but who actually cares, or who's going to watch this? Because I definitely was thinking that, still am thinking that, but I don't know, it's been good for me because it's just sharing what the experience has been so far. So if you're thinking of doing it too, or you have, you know, the sort of the experience from someone who's just started as well, really and truly thank you so much for watching, for liking, for subscribing. If you did like the video, please like the video, and if you are enjoying this content and you want to see more from me, please subscribe. Please turn on your bell notification. It's so weird to say that. Do you know what I find weird? Saying, hi guys, welcome back to the channel, because in my head it's like, who are you? What is this? But yeah, I'm having fun. I'm having fun filming content. I'm trying to post every week, but you know, life and all its wonderful things gets in the way sometimes. But thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next one. I really feel like I forgot to say something. I'm upset that my audio got cut out, but it's okay.